Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I revived this Brazilian wool hair. It's a crochet hair, and I'm going to leave the video of this hair in the description box down below. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and do so. So guys, I did style my hair the previous day, and that is why my hair is looking all shaggy, but you don't have to worry about anything because you're going to revive this hair and it's going to look brand new. So as you watch this video again, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on your post notification, and again, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by detangling the hair. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just running my fingers through the hair so that I may be able to detangle it. Okay, and then after that, I'll just go ahead and divide the hair into two. So you want to make sure that you work in small sections so that you may have a very nice finish. Okay, so after I'm done with dividing the hair, I'll just go ahead and take my water. So this is just a normal water. I've not added anything to it. Okay, so I'm going to spray my hair just like so. And again, don't use too much water, okay? Just a little bit is okay. So once I'm done with dumping my hair, I'll further split this hair into two. Like I said, you want to, work in sections because it's going to give you an easier time when you finally start combing the hair because we are going to comb it, okay? So I'm using a wide tooth comb, and as you all can see, guys, I'm starting from the bottom side of the hair, and then I'm going to work my way up through the hair. So you want to comb your hair from the tips, okay? So you gently comb the hair right from the tips, just like you can see in the video, and then you're going to work yourself up towards the very top of the hair, okay? And that is what I did for each and every portion that I put aside. And guys, as you can see, the hair is looking very nice, and you don't have to use any heat, you don't have to use any flat iron or blow dry your hair. So just comb it the same way you'll comb your natural hair, okay? And then you're going to get the best results by the time you're done with the whole process of combing and all that. Now that you're here already, please consider subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. Again, guys, like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends and family. So this is the simplest way of maintaining this hair. You don't have to use any heat or anything of sort, okay? So if you have a comb, and I'll advise you use a wide tooth comb because it runs through the hair very nice, okay? So if you have a comb and water, then you're good to go. You don't have to use any heat, you don't have to use any blow dry or flat iron or anything of sort. So guys, as you all can see, there's a whole lot of difference when you comb the hair because again, it looks very natural. After you are done with combing the hair, you'll just go ahead and style it to whichever way you want to style the hair, okay? So guys, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your support here. And again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.